Let me show you a secret feature that I just discovered that you might not know existed. Did you know it's actually possible to play YouTube videos with your smart controller? You just start by turning on the controller. Don't turn on the drone, that's not needed. Sorry about my voice this morning, my throat is a little bit sore. So I might be coming down with something, so this is going to be a rather short demonstration. So now we have the controller fired up and also the screen recorder enabled, so I can actually show you what is going on. And then you're going under Profile, and here you select the menu option, DJI Forum. So now you're getting access to all the nice posts that are being posted regularly on this forum. Then you simply select one of the front posts that is most likely to contain a YouTube video. Let's take this one from Portugal. Then you tap on the video, and then you can see that you get all the usual options that you see on an embedded YouTube video. Let's just, for monetization reasons, stop the video. Then you press where it says YouTube, and that will actually take you directly to YouTube. And now you can press the magnifying glass in the upper right corner, and then you could type in your favorite channel, Tech Drone Media, or any other channel of your likings, and then press search. So see, now I get access to everything here. So if I just press here, see. So here you can see all the videos that are released on the channel. There's this fun one where I've strapped my DJI mic on my Mini 3 drone, testing the max range of this mic kit and fooling around with that. So if I just press that one, you can see that it's actually playing the video. And if I want it full screen, I can do like I would do on a regular case on YouTube. I will press the bracket in the lower right corner here, so the video will go full screen. So now,
I decided to strap my DJI mic.
So this way, I have my own YouTube player in my drone bag, and you can always discuss how useful this is, but at least it's fun to know that it's possible. And of course, you need to go through this process every time that you need to watch a video. Have you discovered any other hidden secrets with the DJI RC? Then let me know in the comments below. In case you want to watch the video where I strapped on a microphone onto the Mini 3 Pro, I will make sure to link that video through this card. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.